Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To connect a Bluetooth mouse to it, you have to make sure that your mouse is turned on, and if your mouse has display selection button, you have to select the display, which will be your laptop, and after that you have to put your mouse into pairing mode and make sure that the light is flashing rapidly on your screen, and then you can either click connect on the notification that you see on your screen, or if you don't see a notification, you have to click these three icons on your taskbar to open the control center, then click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth, and then click your mouse to connect to it. Wait until you are connected. And now to disconnect, you have to go to More Bluetooth Settings, then tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of your mouse and select Remove Device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.